Welcome to Management Fundas. Subject Strategic Management. Subtopic SBU, that is Strategic Business Unit. Strategic Business Unit, popularly known as SBU, is a fully functional unit of a business that has its own vision and direction. Typically, a strategic business unit operates as a separate unit, but it is also an important part of a company. Actually, a strategic business unit is an organization subunit that acts like an independent business in many major respects, including the formulation of its own strategic plan and its own marketing strategy. An SBU may share its parent organization, corporate identity, or develops its own brand identity depending upon the degree of a freedom allowed to the management of the division. So, as per as a freedom, this strategic business unit form their own. A strategic business unit or SBU operate as an independent entity, but it has to report directly to the headquarters of the organization about the status of its operation. It operates independently and is focused on a target market. It is big enough to have its own support functions such as HR, training department, etc. There are several benefits of having an SBU. This principle works best for organizations which have multiple product structure. The best example of SBO are companies like Procter & Gamble, LG, etc. This company have different product category under one roof. Okay, so basically strategic business unit is a subunit of a main organization. There are many organizations and who is having different product lines. So instead of handling that product line in a main organization, they divided into a various business unit, and this is called as a SBU, that is strategic business unit. So this is an example of a Tata groups. You can see in information technology and communication they have TCS, Tata Teleservice, Tata Sky. Engineering they are having Tata Motor, Voltas. Materials they have Tata Steel. Service industry they are having Indian Hotels, Tata Capital. Energy they are having Tata Power. Consumer products Titan, Infinity Retail. Okay, chemicals like Tata Chemicals. Okay, so Tata is a main group, and under that there are different business unit which are selling a different product. Okay, so you sometimes you don't even recognize that this is a product of that particular organization. For example, say Titan. The Titan brand image and the way of working their strategy business unit is so different that even most of them don't know that it is a Tata product. So the strategic business unit work in such a manner that you sometimes you do not even know that they are the product or they are working under some parent company. So that is about the strategic business unit. This is the next example. LG is a company make consumer durable. It's make refrigerator, washing machine, air conditioner as well as television. These small units are formed as a separate strategic business unit so that revenues, cost as well as profit can be tracked independently. Once a unit is given an SBO status, it can make its own decision, investment budget, etc. So under the LG company, these are the product differentiate they are having, and they all work as a separate strategic business unit, so they can track the independently what is actually going on in their business. They know their own set of customer, they know their own competitors, they know how to what are the strength and weakness of their company, what will be the future opportunity and threats, because this is all related to their product. So strategic business unit is the one which give that independently they can work on that particular product line. Now you can see some of the benefits of working independently. Intra-competition. As a parent company, there are many strategic business unit. So there are always intra-competition among them as they are the product of a one company. Then as they are working with one product, they know their customer, they know the market to be target, they know their competitor, they know how this product to be to be produced, so they increase their higher efficiency. There is always a better management, there is always better customer service, they have a one corporate image. Okay, so these are the benefit of having a strategic business unit. Now let's see the characteristics of a strategic business unit. A unique business mission, an identified set of competitor. The SBO strategic manager can make or implement a strategic decision relatively independent of other SBO. Crucial operating decision can be made within the SBO. An SBO is responsible for its product, service and market, and therefore it is also responsible for developing its strategy. Generally, an SBO is independent in its business operation, has its managerial resource and has all its assets under its control. Separate business or a grouping or similar business offering scope for autonomous planning. A manager is accountable for strategic planning, profitability and performance of the division. A strategic business unit is specially formed to target a particular market segment which require expertise in production or management not present in the parent company. So a single strategic business unit is considered as a profit center and governed by the corporate officers. It rests over strategic planning instead of operation control, so that the separate division of the SBO can respond as fast as they can to the changing business environment. So these are all the characteristics of a business unit. Now let's see the importance of a strategic business unit in an organization. Responsibility. One of the first role of a strategic business unit is to assign responsibility and more importantly outsource responsibility to others. With this, the top management has an overview to work being done in each individual unit and they do not have to get involved into day-to-day activities for their strategic business unit. So at the parent company can just look for the corporate strategies, and for the operational strategies this strategic business unit are independently operated. So they don't have the parent company do not have to look for the day-to-day activities. Then accountability. When handling multiple brand or product, it is easier if there are separate business unit which are accountable for the success or failure of the business or product. By making this business unit accountable, the company can directly take a call when hard decisions are to be taken. Third, accountancy. Profit and loss and balance sheet will look more prettier and more manageable if the statements are prepared separately for separate strategic business unit. This makes the accountancy more transparent, and at the same time when companies have to make investment decision, then this accountancy will come in use for the company. So different strategic business unit will have their own accounts, and when the parent company wants to know where they can invest more, when they want to make the corporate level strategy, this account books will help them for investing in the business which is doing well in the organization. Then strategy. Company like Nestle have 4 different strategic unit. One SBU like Maggi deals in food product, another deals in dairy product like Nestle Milkment, the third SBU deals in chocolate product like KitKat, and so on and so forth. Thus in the above example, it is very simple to change strategy for each business unit because the strategy of each is independent to the another. So each business unit will have a different strategy. They know how to make a strategy related to their products. Independence. The manager of the strategic business unit get more independency to manage their own unit, which give them the opportunity to be more creative and innovative and empowers them for making decisions. The best thing that can happen for SBU are fast decision making, which is possible only when SBU are giving independence to work by themselves. Sixth, fund allocation. The last but not the least advantages of strategic business unit are that fund allocation becomes simpler for the parent company depending on the performance of a strategic business unit. Fund allocation can be done on priority. So whichever are a profit making business unit, they can give them a more attention, they can invest in them, and so it is easier for a parent company to judge the business unit, they can just evaluate their performance, how they are doing, and accordingly they can invest make a investment. That is, it is easier for a parent company for a fund allocation. Thus, there are many advantages of having strategic business unit, and is highly recommended that any firm which has multiple product adopt strategic business unit in its organization structure. So it is always recommended that any firm, okay, which is having a multiple products, they should always go for this strategic business unit, so it will be easier for handling. So we can conclude that SBI gives the organization a chance to create a better future for itself. SBI provides an opportunity to identify a strategic direction. SBI offers a chance to make better business decisions. SBI enhances the longevity of the business. SBI allows the parent company to avoid competitive convergence. Competitive convergence means strategic business unit which looks for the competition of all the related products in their business unit, and so the parents company don't have to give the attention to all the unrelated products competitor. SBI offer financial benefits. So, strategic business unit can meet the need of a market faster and better when they create a subunit with authority to make independent decision. So that is all about independent decision. So that is all about strategic business unit. So that's all in today's session with a lot of positive vibe. Signing off. For more management concepts, please subscribe to Management Fundas channel. Thank you.